Hey guys, my name is Reno, and today I'm going to be teaching you all about postulates and diagrams. Alright, so first, these are all points, lines, and planes postulates. So you can take notes if you need to. If you don't need to, just watch along with the video. Alright, so for the first two-point postulate and the line point postulate. So the two-point postulate tells us that through any 2 points, there's one line. The line point postulate tells us that a line contains at least 2 points. Here we can see that that is true. A line does contain at least 2 points, and a line needs 2 points for it to exist. Next, the line intersection postulate. If 2 lines intersect, then they intersect at a single point. As we can see here, lines P and Q intersect at point O, and that is their only point of intersection. And then next, the 3-point postulate. Through any 3 non-collinear points, there is one plane. The plane point postulate, a plane contains at least 3 non-collinear points. The plane line postulate, if 2 points lie in the plane, then the line containing the points also lies in the plane. And then lastly, the plane intersection postulate. If 2 planes intersect, then they intersect in a line. So as we can see here, the first 2 are true. There has to be at least 3 non-collinear points for a plane to exist, and the plane must contain at least 3 non-collinear points. So if there are 2 points in a plane, the line for those 2 points also must be in the plane. You won't see the line all the time, but you should know that they do exist. And then lastly, the plane intersection postulate. As we can see here, planes P and Q intersect at one single line, line M. Alright, so here's some postulate practice for you guys. You just need to state the postulate illustrated by the diagram. Pause the video, give it a shot, come back for the right answer. Alright, so now that you're done, so first off we can see if 2 lines intersect, then they intersect at a single point. That's our line intersection postulate. And then if 2 planes intersect, then they intersect at a single line. That's our plane intersection postulate. Alright, so use a diagram to write examples of the plane point postulate, the plane line postulate. Pause the video, give it a shot, come back for the right answer. Alright, so as we saw, the plane point postulate tells us that a plane must contain at least 3 non-collinear points. As we can see here, plane Q contains points T, R, and A. So that's our answer for this. And then the plane line postulate, since 2 points A and T lie in the plane, line N also lies in the plane, since both these points are in the plane. So that's our answer to the second one. So next, sketch a diagram showing line TV intersecting segment PQ at point W so that segment TW is congruent to segment WV. Alright, so pause the video, give it a shot, come back for the right answer. Alright, so now that you're back, first off, draw a line TV and label points T and V. So let's draw a line TV, and then we have our points T and V labeled. And then next what you're going to do is draw point W as the midpoint of the segment TV, and then mark the congruent segments. So here's our midpoint. To mark congruent segments, you just draw 1 line or 2 in some other cases. But this says that these 2 segments are congruent. And then finally, we need to draw the intersecting segment PQ. That's just gonna go through point W. And here's our final diagram. If your diagram looks similar to this, then you're correct. Alright, so our final topic, a line perpendicular to the plane. A line is a line perpendicular to a plane if and only if the line intersects the plane in a point and is perpendicular to every line in the plane that intersects it at that point. So as we can see here in the diagram, it must be marked by a right angle. As we know, a perpendicular line tells us that it has a 90-degree angle, so it's a right angle. As you can see here, there are 2 lines here. The line does intersect the plane at one point. These 2 lines also intersect at the same point. So there we know that the perpendicular line is perpendicular to all the lines that is intersecting at that single point. So we know that this line is perpendicular to the plane. I hope you guys found this video educational. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Leave a like, subscribe, come back for more educational videos like this.